In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing CSS not loading in LiveView Dreamweaver. If your page looks unstyled in LiveView, but you're sure your CSS exists, this walkthrough will help you confirm your site setup, verify the link to your style sheet, and rebuild it the right way so LiveView recognizes it. Start by launching Dreamweaver on your device. Once it's open, head to the Site menu at the top and choose Manage Sites. Select the site you're working on so Dreamweaver knows which project's settings to use. This is important because LiveView relies on your site definition to resolve relative paths. Click the Edit icon for that site and look for the Local Site folder field. This folder should point to the root of your project, the place where your index file and your CSS folder live. If this path is incorrect, Dreamweaver won't be able to find files like style sheets. Make sure it points to the correct location on your machine. After making any changes to your code or file paths, refresh LiveView so you're not looking at a stale preview. Use the Refresh button in the document toolbar or press F5. Dreamweaver's LiveView can cache resources, so a quick refresh helps it pull in the latest HTML and CSS. With LiveView enabled, click different elements on your page and look at the CSS Designer panel. You should see the relevant rules and the file they come from. If the panel doesn't list the expected CSS rules, it's a strong sign the style sheet isn't being linked correctly in your HTML. To double-check how the page behaves outside Dreamweaver, click the Preview in Browser button on the toolbar or press F12. If the browser also shows an unstyled page, that confirms the style sheet link is broken rather than a LiveView quirk. Now, open your HTML file and manually delete the link tag that references your style sheet in the head of the document. This removes any incorrect or outdated path that might be causing the problem. Next, let Dreamweaver rebuild the link for you. Go to Insert, then HTML, then Head Tags, and choose Link. Browse to your CSS file and confirm. By inserting the link this way, Dreamweaver writes the correct relative path based on your site's root, which resolves most path-related issues in LiveView. Refresh LiveView once more and check the CSS Designer panel again. You should now see your rules applied, and your page should display with the correct styling. That's all you need to get your CSS loading properly in LiveView.